Hey, to first set up Xiaomi 17T Pro, first of all, you will have to just power on your phone by holding the power button for a few moments, and now you should click on this arrow to go forward. First of all, you have to pick language and region. Now you have to click next. Also, you will have to select region, click next one more time, accept terms and condition. In this step, we can quickly transfer data, for example, from our old smartphone. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can get fresh start without any old data. But if you are looking for information how to transfer data, you can find a video on my channel where I'm showing you step by step how you can do this. So in this case, I'm going to click skip. Now it's checking for a SIM card, so we can easily input the SIM card right now. And there's this slot. We have to input SIM ejection tool over here. Now we have to push it. We have to grab it, remove. And now it's quite easy to put it on, because here we can find a cutout over here that we have to actually align with our card like this. And the same when you rotate your slot. When you put it properly, it will look just like this. And now, really important part, we have to align like this. Take a look. So put it here, try to gently slide this inside, push it with your finger, and in this step we should get this recognition. As you can see, it's connected. So right now we can simply connect into the Wi-Fi network, but you can also do this later. That's up to your preferences. So now we have to pick up your Wi-Fi network and input password like this, or if you don't want to do this, you can also skip this step and go forward. Right now select who are you setting this phone up for. So I'm gonna select for myself, but if you are doing this for your child, just select, and it's highly recommended to enable that parental controls. Now you can sign in with ease. So of course I want to get some data connected. Now it's searching for my accounts that are linked to my phone number, but in this case there's some kind of the problems. So this one we have to add our Google account. If you don't have one, you have to click to create, select for one of this, or if you forgot your email, you can also click here and try to simply recover it. Right now input your password, now click agree, and right now we can copy apps and data if you want, but for me no, I just want to get clean start, and here select the screen lock. So standard one, fingerprint or the face unlock. For me, I would like to get the standard screen lock, and I would like to get this pattern. So input your password twice to confirm it, click OK, remember your password. And now we can set up the Google services. What I can recommend you to turn off this scanning in the background to don't send usage and diagnostic data. Click accept, and right now you can select your Google backup. So if you want to automatically backup all of your photos and videos, you can turn it on. And the same for things like contacts, call history, and so. So for me, of course, it's very useful. Now you can just continue the setup, or you can leave and get reminder later if you want to do this quickly. Now we can find this function with nearby sharing, but I don't really like it, so I'm not using this. Here we can find Gemini AI. Well, I'm also not using this, so I'm clicking no. Right now we can add payment cards by clicking here, but I'm also not paying with my phone, so I'm gonna click skip. What you can also change the text displays, wallpaper, and some other things. Click no thanks if you don't want to make any other changes. Now we can find basic settings. What I can recommend you to turn off send usage and diagnostic data, turn off usage user experience program, and click next. Now you can pick font that you like, click next, and select default launcher classic, so everything will be on your screen, but application drawer, some basic shortcuts on the home screen, and the rest of them in this drawer. Now select system navigation method between the full screen gestures or classic 3 buttons, and this is my way. Select a recent layout, so vertical, horizontal, or stacked. Click next, wait for this, and after a few moments, the process will be finished.